Hello, welcome to our new video and welcome to HTO. Today we'll share about a CPA marketing, how to choose a offer and how to create a landing page for this offer. So before we start, hit the subscribe button to get more update. So I'm logging to my CPAGrip account. CPAGrip in CPA marketing, there is lots of site those provide you to make affiliate ID and work with them. So today I choose CPAGrip to show you how to select an offer from CPAGrip. First of all, you need to sign up into a CPAGrip ID. If you don't have any CPAGrip account, I will put the link in description box and you will find the option to sign up a CPAGrip account. It's totally free. You can earn from CPAGrip by choosing offer and promoting this offer without spending any money, any single penny. So let's start. Okay, for choosing a CPA offer, just look at the left side of the CPAGrip option and you will find a offer tools, and click to offer tools. You will find my offer. In this section there is lots of options. First of all, we are looking for the country. I'm going to create an offer for United States, so just type US. Okay, so you can see there is some offer for United States. So I'm going to choose one offer from this list to promote as a CPA marketer. So first of all, I'm going to look, there is an option called type and category. So look the type option carefully. You can see the Android button. So this offer is only allows Android user, those who live in United States, and this one for Apple, because Apple iOS, like who use iPhone, these offers for only them. So I'm going to choose Android user, offer for Android users. So I'm going to choose I'm going to choose this offer, and the description of this offer: install the app and complete your first install. When we share this link, this offer links to the our audience, targeted audience in United States market. If anyone download this app and install and sign up correctly, we will get 34 cents in our account. So I'm going forward with this offer. This is our offer. We choose it for marketing in United States market as a CPA marketer. So it's time to create a landing page for this offer so people can choose this offer easily. So for creating landing page, we are going to choose site Google. Site.Googles allow to create a free landing page. Also, people can easily trust when they saw the landing page you create it on Google, so they don't hesitate to join, because present time there is lots of scammer in this world, so that's why we choose Google. Okay, first of all we need to set the title of this landing page. Tire rewards app. We give title and save this image. Save image. Title. This app will provide the user gift card for free. Changing the text color, increase the size. Updating the image. Changing it to the red. We need an image for this offer, so it's look good to our targeted audience. Okay, we can use this image. Save. Now we need to put a text here. I will complete it first. Select the text size. It's too large, so we need to bit smaller. Okay, we put the title, we put the description. Now it's time to add an image. We need to set a download button for our audience. Select this button, center it, click the link and copy this link. This link is for our offer to download this app, so when people click this download option, they will go our offer page. We can also share the download link on this text. Try to set your offer link from every single element on your landing page. Okay, you can also put it on gift card. Yes, we are done. So let's preview. Okay, mobile friendly. Yeah. Okay, close up and publish now. And set a name for this landing page. Try. Get it, publish, and copy the landing page link after publishing from this button, and our landing page is live now. So we are going to promote this link to our targeted audience in United States. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more to know about CPA marketing, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment. Share with your friends. We'll share you how to open a CPAGrip account in next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.